What's the meaning of bomb site? Bomb site. Bomb site.
Bomb site. Bomb site. The term bomb site typically refers to an area where a bomb has exploded or detonated, resulting in destruction and devastation. The aftermath of such an event can be chaotic, with debris and wreckage scattered throughout the area, potentially causing injuries and fatalities to those in the vicinity. Depending on the size and magnitude of the explosion, large portions of buildings and infrastructure may be destroyed, leading to long-term economic and social consequences. In some cases, bomb sites can become poignant reminders of the fragility of life and the destructive power of conflict and violence.